people have this perception that अगर बच्चा नहीं हो रहा है मतलब it's the wife who is having issues.
So if somebody is not getting pregnant, their first instance is that if a woman is supposed to carry the child and she is not able to get pregnant, there should be something wrong with her.
I've always heard all our grandparents saying that हमारे ज़माने में तो ये सब नहीं होता था.
होता था. Testing उतनी नहीं होती थी.
PCOS impacts physical as well as mental, everything.
So even now, we do not know why PCOS happens.
Is there a difference between how things are operated in India and abroad?
I think when it comes to fertility treatments, India has some of the best laws.
Going back to IVF, I don't know if it's a myth or true, but it's just for the rich people.
The treatment everywhere will be the same. So it's not like कि तुम कोई expensive center में जाओगे तो सोने के अंडे निकलेंगे. No, that's not gonna happen.
Arranged marriages or love marriages, does that impact how fertility is addressed?
Will it affect fertility? No. I think the best way is to not get married at all. That's
फिर तो आपके patients कम हो जाएंगे.
yeah, that's also true. Get married. There are people who still want to come and meet me, and my dad usually goes के अरे मैं बाप हूँ उसका.
मैंने पढ़ाया है
ट्रीटमेंट
इसको.
तो मैं ही करने वाला हूँ. He'll look at your embryos and eggs and sperms. बाहर का सारा काम मैं ही करने वाला हूँ. तो इधर ही बैठो.
Okay, let's go back to the basics because now
Yeah.
we're getting deeper. Deeper. Yeah.